I'm Frank from Glendale.
I'm Michelle from Glendale.
And we had Better Together Builders do a complete kitchen remodel. They did an addition, a new bedroom for us, and they redid both our bathrooms and a lot of other stuff. Redid all the floors and paint, so pretty big project.
We found Better Together Builders and Yanni through a local moms board. They were highly recommended, so we checked them out. And when we first met with them, we were super impressed. They were really detailed, really on it. They were so friendly, so we're so happy to be working with them.
So when Better Togethers came in for the first time, actually as part of the consult, it was a twofold meeting. They met twice. The first time they did an amazing job. It was very impressive how they listened to us, really wanted to get to know us and our ideas, and then they kind of integrated all their knowledge and skill. Day two, they came in with a design on a laptop based on everything we had discussed, and basically making the vision become a reality through digitally, and then we went from there. So once permits were approved by the city of Glendale, we were really impressed with all the people that came in, all the different contractors. They were very respectful with COVID and all about social distancing. Everyone wore a mask. The craftsmanship was like quality, and it's nice that we had 3 point people from Better Together Builders that we could contact at any time if there was ever an issue, and that just made us very comfortable and just relieved a lot of stress.
So after all the work that we've done, it's just been such a wonderful experience. We absolutely love the space. We are thrilled with it, and it's, surpassing our wildest dreams. So thank you, Better Together. We really enjoyed working with you, and we're very pleased with everything.
And can I just add that, she mentioned it earlier that we learned about Better Togethers through a moms group on the internet. So if moms are recommending Better Together Builders, it's going to be super quality stuff. And so we recommend them to anyone. They've just the accountability, professionalism, the communication. You become family with the office and with Yanni and whoever's working with you by the end of this whole thing.